Hi guys, there you are. Today we're not going out riding, but I just got a package with some foot pegs, so we're gonna check them out. So here we have it, let's dive in. Air filter, heat shield. There we go. So here we go guys, Pivot Pegz MK3. Not that super fancy packaging, like 1980s blister pack plastic. You get a sticker, hooray, a little information card, 2 spare or new pins for locking the bolt in place where you attach the pegs on the bike. These MK3 ones are made of stainless steel. MK4 as well, or I think all their pegs are made out of stainless steel, and it emits like a mirror polish. Really good cleats, not too sharp, so you won't, destroy your riding boots, but really, pretty aggressive. And also on the inside here, you have like shark teeth shaped cleats in different directions, so you should stay pretty firm on the pegs when riding. The length of these are 85 millimeters, so from here to there, and 60 millimeters from here to there, and that's about the same size as the OEM pegs, just a tad bit wider. As you can see, this is 56 millimeters, I think, with the same, pretty much the same length, maybe a few millimeters extra on these. And the big feature on these ones is that they pivot. That's why they're called pivot pegs. So they pivot about 20 degrees, this and that, forward and rearwards. So this should make riding a bit more comfortable, especially when you have wider pegs. And we'll see. Some people love them, some people hate them. So I don't know yet if I will like them or not. But these for sure is a good upgrade from my stock pegs. What else? Well, nothing more to talk about really. You get a new spring as well, the return spring for, when you're hitting stuff. And why did I go for these then? Okay, the pivot function was one. Then you have the MK4 model, which is 100 millimeters long. And I don't want that, because when you ride tight trails, I already hit stuff. And you can see that on my right foot peg here, that I have a lot of scars on it. And so I don't want the MK4, which is 100 millimeter long, because then I will hit even more stuff. So these are pretty much the same size as the original ones, just the added strength and features, and better grip. I'm not getting all this mud packed up here in this area, or ice this winter. I was slipping around like crazy on the pegs this winter when out riding, and it's the same stuff, or same thing in the mud. And the cleats are not that sharp. These are much sharper in the the form of the cleat itself, so, and more hollow, so it should work great. So let's go out to the bike and put them on and feel them out. So now we're here in the garage. It's cold as this April has been really messed up. Last 2 weeks have had snow for, it's been snowing a couple of days every now and then. Really frustrating, but next week's gonna be better. So let's bolt these suckers on. I have the pin, I have the peg, and you can see pictures here. That's a good comparison from the OEM foot peg and the new one, Pivot Peg. So I have a little things to take care of. Maybe clean out this one first. I'll do that. So this isn't really super interesting, but I could chat with you guys while I do this. We talked about that with the different sizes of foot pegs, and I guess wider pegs would be nice, but I just feel that I would just get irritated if I ride on the tight trails and hit stuff all the time, because it can really get you out of balance. So that was easy. You know, removing is actually harder because you have the pin which you need to bend back so straight so you can get it out. So now I just have this pin to bend out, and I will wrap it around on the sides. Very easily done. And I don't know, you guys, maybe you have some good suggestions of other foot pegs or brands, makers, and what you guys like. So please share, tell me what you like and why you came to the decision to buy that specific peg. Oh. Looks really nice. Let's just try and stand on the bike. Yeah, see, it's quite a long, you know, the pivot action is quite long anyways. I thought it wasn't. It feels more than I thought it would. But see how easy it is to brake. You don't need to pivot your foot on the peg. You pivot the peg, or the peg pivots. Really, really nice actually. A really good grip. And as you can see now, I have my sneakers on, but the peg pretty much ends here, with the boots a bit wider, but still plenty of support. The MK4s would have been pretty much boot width of it, so but this one is perfect for me. So that's it for the install. I'll do the other side when you guys not looking. So I have a few other things to bolt on the bike as well. The heat shield for the bags, and also I can show you guys that one. So I have this little QD thing for my rally tower for the angle adjustment of the carpenter. So I'll put that one in as well. So hope you enjoy this one, and yeah, comment below what kind of pegs you like, and if you own these or have them on your bike, what your thoughts are. I'll get back to you guys when I've been riding a bit, and tell you what I think about them later on. So hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, take care, and don't do anything stupid. Cheerios!